A couple of years ago, even before the pandemic, we began looking closely at the calls that were coming into 911 for folks who were dealing with acute mental distress, emotional distress, addiction, situations requiring some amount of de-escalation rather than enforcement. There was a clear need for a different type of response, for trained clinicians, for peer responders, folks who knew the community well, and who know how to deliver services and support to those who are facing real distress and real crisis. What we're doing in this initiative is bringing those organizations together in a new partnership and with a whole new level of coordination so that we can respond with the most effective resource possible to those who are dealing with mental health crisis is a really important part of making our community healthier and safer.
Addressing safety means more than just addressing physical safety, but also emotional well-being. Our residents deserve that type of comprehensive response when they call 911.
Our partnership with the HEARTeam is so exciting. It adds an additional layer for us to utilize when responding to mental health emergencies. We are so excited for this initiative. Having mental health professionals in the field ready to respond to these emergencies is going to provide so much assistance to help us help the community.
Well, we at the Hartford Police Department are looking forward to this opportunity to serve our population better. We've had a relationship with Capital Region Mental Health for years, so I think we started off a little bit ahead of the curve. So with the introduction of the HEARTeam, we will have an opportunity now to provide a full array of services from juveniles to adults when it comes to responding to calls involving mental illness.
The Hartford Fire Department is proud of the partnership with the Hartford Emergency Assistance Response Team, or HEART, in terms of providing mental health services to our citizens and visitors alike. So we think that this will be a good initiative for the citizens and visitors of our great city to provide mental health services in times of crisis.
The City of Hartford is taking another leap forward, showing its commitment to communities of color. As a professor of social work, I know how important to always be assessing and adjusting our delivery of services to ensure that the delivery is culturally relevant. By addressing both language needs and racial disparities, this is certainly a move in the right direction. I feel really optimistic about this program.
As a HEARTeam partner, we will follow up and wrap Hartford's youth and families with caring and supportive services. It's our expertise, it's what we do.
Community Renewal Team, as part of the HEARTeam, will provide support to people in Hartford in a new way. When you're in need of emotional support and guidance, we're here to help with a clinician and a peer recovery specialist. We're able to come to you to offer support right there in the moment. But wait, we don't just walk away once the situation is de-escalated.
As your trusted messengers, we will connect you with services to support your needs. We use our skills and an emphasis on respect, active listening to link you to resources and provide tools to help your situation.
As a HEARTeam partner, we will respond to nonviolent emergency calls for services to connect individuals and families to the right resources, to empower people to take steps that will lead to opportunities for success.
As the local mental health authority for the Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services, Capital Region Mental Health Center applauds the City of Hartford for its progressive and comprehensive approach in reducing police response to behavioral health emergencies. We are hopeful this innovative approach will ensure city residents receive the most compassionate and professional response possible when facing behavioral health emergencies.
Sending trained clinicians with expertise in de-escalation practices, refined listening skills, behavioral health knowledge, caring, and a pocket full of resources is an appropriate way to respond to individuals in crisis. This collaboration with the City of Hartford Public Safety Departments and the HEARTeam partners is a responsible way to create safety and wellness for our communities.